Hey, how was the trip?
The views were incredible. The people were friendly.
The client?
Oh, I left him speechless.
Avery Graves. She's my best.
And her husband?
Hey, you. I missed you.
Civilian. Doesn't know who she is.
Where's my husband?
You are going to steal from your agency.
If our enemies get their hands on this,
It starts World War III.
You've always believed in me.
It's one woman, damn it, just find her.
You're wearing a mute mask. It controls the decibel level of your voice.
you're a crazy bitch.
We're not really using that word to describe women anymore. There's been a whole thing.
Canary Black. 1 de maio às 21h30, no TVCine Top e no TVCine Plus.